Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Karthik Shiva World. If you are new to this channel, I am Anusha. I am explaining SQL concepts. If you like the concepts, please subscribe, share to your friends and like. Okay, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain you the basic select query and some of the operators which we'll use frequently, so that in the later videos when I am explaining the concepts we will be able to understand the select statement, because select statement will use mostly in all the operations in SQL. It is like the most important command in SQL. Without a select statement there will be no operations in SQL. Okay, so it is very important. It has so many functionalities and we can play with the select statement like anything. So let's learn today basic queries. In the coming videos I will explain you more about the select statement and some of the functions, built-in functions and rank functions, everything. Okay, so today the first topic is select statement. Next I am going to explain what is DML statements and what is the difference between truncate and delete, and some of the transaction control statements, commit and rollback, which we'll use frequently. Okay, so first, select statement. What is a select statement? In that the syntax is select star from table name. Okay, where conditions group by columns, order by columns. Okay, so now I will explain each and every line. Select star from table name. Okay, now what is meant by select star from? I have one EMP table, so I am taking that. If you give star, it will give you all the columns in the table EMP. Okay, in the from clause we can give one table or more than one table using joins. So joins I am not going to explain today, so I am taking only one table EMP. So if I query with the star, it will give you all the columns in the EMP table with the all the data. Okay, if I want to know how many rows, okay, so we can give count of star. It will give you the total number of rows. Okay, now let's know what is distinct keyword. Okay, distinct keyword will give distinct values. Okay, suppose if EMP name is 2 times, like if anybody, I think nobody has a common name. Okay, distinct job. Okay, jobs has clerk, salesman, manager. Salesman is repeated 2 times. Okay, so I will give you distinct job from EMP. Okay, so it is giving clerk, salesman, manager, analyst and president. These are the jobs available. It will give the distinct values. Okay, select Now we'll see what is the difference between distinct and star. Count of star. Job. I will give 14. It is giving. I will give you count of distinct jobs. I can give you in the same with comma. Okay. Now if you see, count of job is giving 14, total number of rows, and count of distinct job it is giving 5. Okay. Now in the select statement you can give star. If you give star it will give all the columns. If you give the column specific column names it give only column names. So again select star from. If we want to concatenate two values, then we need to use job concatenation operator, then rename. So see, clerk, Smith, salesman, Ellen. So they both are concatenating. If we want to alias this as job rename, or else we can give it as rename salary. Now you can see Smith 800, 1600 Ellen, like that. This is called concatenation operator. Okay. Next one. In and between or and not. How to use it. Okay. Start from EMP. Here comes where condition. Okay. Select star from table name. Where we can give conditions. Conditions means if we want to select only specific rows based on some particular criteria, then you should give where clause. Okay. Where I am giving select star from EMP, where job equal to clerk. I am giving I want only clerk details. So only see, only 4 records are there, so they have come. Now if I want to give more than one job values, then we should go for in. Okay. Before going to in, I will explain you what is and. Job equal to clerk and job equal to, I will give manager. If I want two values, then you can append equal to clerk. Okay. If you understood what is and operator is like union intersection will be there, right? No employee will be at the same time clerk and manager. That's why no rows has come. So what should we give? or operator. Okay, either clerk or manager. See, now all the clerks and manager has come. Okay, and operator we can give and clerk, and I will give salary as 950. These and or operators are just like unions, intersections. Okay, if you remember those concepts, then it will be easy for you to understand this one. Okay, see, only James clerk with the salary 950 has come. Okay, now in operator, instead of giving this and, if I want to go for another, like clerk job equal to clerk and job equal to salesman, okay, all those values if I want, then I can give in clerk job in clerk comma manager. Okay, this one. Now both the clerk and manager has come. So in operator is like, if I want to select or give more than one value condition, in condition, then you can give in operator. Suppose if I want to exclude only uh, if I want to exclude clerk and manager, and other than that I want all the other job values, then I can give, I need to use not in. Okay, select star from MP where job not in we should use. Okay, now let's see the result. Now it will give other than clerk, salesman, analyst, president. There is no clerk and manage. Okay, now here all values are in uppercase. Okay, now if I want to job equal to, in some cases some values will be in uppercase, some values will be in lowercase. Name will be like I will update something, then you will understand. Update emp set email hello where the name equal to these characters and all are case sensitive, so whatever case is there in the columns, so same thing we should give in the where condition. Okay, I am giving one uppercase letter and lowercase letter so that I can explain you about upper and lower importance. Okay, and row updated. Okay, select star from emp. Now ln has come in, some letters has come in lowercase and some letters has come in uppercase. So now what will I do? If I want to select ln and I don't know how it is there in table, then what can I do? I will give lower of, it will lower the lowercase the letters equal to, I will give the name in all lowercase so that it will lowercase e name, and then it will compare with ln. See, it is it's coming ln. If I don't give this lower, then let's see, it will come. See, it's not coming, so it is case sensitive. Same like upper. What upper will do, it will make it as uppercase, then it will compare with ln. So you need to give in uppercase. Now also the data is coming. Okay, uppercase and lowercase. E is null and NVL functions. Okay, E is null. If I want to see whether the column has null values, so how to check that? Select star from emp. Okay, here some commission COMM column has null values. Okay, so how to get those columns? We can give condition as where commission is null. Okay, to get all the null values, we need to query it as is null. Okay, then only com as null values will come. Okay, but I don't want to see it as null. Then what can I do? I can use NVL function. It will replace the null values with what is the column name. We need to give the column name which has null values, and give some string or number. Commission I will give it as 1000. Okay, alias we can use because we are using function. If you are using function, okay, it will come as function. Colon has given extra colon. Okay, 1000 is coming, but what is this one? Function name is coming as column name. So what we have to do, we have to use alias as commission null. Okay, if I won't give this where condition also, okay, I will give e name comma and will as com null from emp. So it should give me all the employees. Wherever it is commission null value, it will replace with 1000. What can I do? I will give only com, then you can understand more better way. So wherever it is null, it is replacing with 1000. So you understood now what is the NVL syntax? First we need to give the column name which has null values, and we need to give the number or character or date, whatever you want to replace that null value. Okay, next is case statement. Case statement also we can give in select statement. Select star from emp. How we can use case statement? Okay, it's just like a if statement. Case when job equal to clerk. Okay, then I am giving it as C. Okay, else I am giving it as other. Okay, then end as alias as clerks. Okay, if suppose if we want to insert in some other table all the clerk values with the C character, if it is not clerk, then I am inserting with 0. Okay, and now I am not inserting into any table, just for display. That case statement will not update the actual value, it just display the result, just for display purpose. This one we can use it in insert statement, so that these select values, like in the last video I have told you, in the insert statement we can use select statement. In that, if I am inserting something, I can use the case statement. Okay, and insert values like this. Okay, now um, I will give some clerk and some salesman employee from EMP. I will give job, comma, employee ID, employee number. Okay, clerk, it is case sensitive, right? Here it is uppercase, that's why it is coming it as, all the details are coming as O. So what we should do, we should give in uppercase, then C, it will come as C. For all the clerks it is coming as C, for others it is coming as O, for all the clerks it is coming as C. So like this you can use case statement in select operation. Okay, next like operator and some wildcard characters, how we can use in select statement. Okay, select star from EMP, where I want to select only names which are starting with C. Okay, e name, like, okay, person starting with the C. C it should start, then percentage. I want to see the names which are starting with the C and 0 to any number of characters. Okay, we need to use like operator for wildcard characters if we are using. Okay, only Clark is there. If I give this side also percentage, then it will check 0 to any number of characters, and in between C and 0 to any number of characters in the E name. Okay, see Clark is there and Scott. S is the starting letter, in between C is there, so two records has come. What is this hyphen? Hyphen means only first character. First character can be any character. After that she should be there. Then any number of characters. Now we'll check, only Scott has come because first letter should be any character other than C also can be there, but second letter should be C. That's why Clark should didn't come. Okay. Next is subquery. What is meant by subquery? Select star from EMP where EMP number in. We just now known about EMP 7369 comma 7499. Okay. In the in condition, we can give another query. If I want to query employee IDs which are there in some other table, I am using the same table. If I want to select, okay, suppose I have a employee numbers in some other table and I want employee and manager data or some other data from the EMP table, then I can use that table and where condition inside the brackets. So this is called subquery and this is called main query. Okay, so if I query this one, all the employees will come. If I give where condition here, where ename equal to Smith, then only Smith data will come. So basically this is the subquery concept, which in some other table only employee number is there and some other data is there. Okay, so if I want to see what is there in the employee table for this employee ID, then I can use subquery also in the in clause. Okay, all those employee IDs will come. Next, DML, data manipulation language, which will be used for editing the data and deleting the data and inserting the data into the table. The basics DML statements are select, insert, update, comma, delete. Okay, select statement, just now I have explained some of the basic queries and some of the special operators and how we can use in the where condition and how we can concatenate, how we can use the null values, how we can query the null values, how we can modify the null values with the some other values in the display, how we can alias, everything I have explained, the basic SQL queries. Okay, insert statement I have explained in my last video, so if you have not checked it, go and check that. Update statement I will explain now. Update statement is used to update the records. The syntax is update that table name, whichever table you want to update. Set, I am giving as salary equal to 1000. In update statement, you should be very careful when you are executing. If I execute only this one, all the records in the EMP table will be updated with 1000. So whenever you are using update statement, you should be very careful and give where condition, where salary, where I am giving EMP number equal to 7369 69. Okay, so only this record will be updated. Whenever you are giving any updation or deletion, you need to commit into the database. Okay, commit. Now we can query the EMP table. Select star from EMP where I will give this employee number 7369. See, the salary is updated with 1000. So what is the syntax for update statement? Update table name set salary where employee number equal to this one. You can give like where condition whatever, employee number equal to 7369 and uh, I have explained the where clause in select statement, right? Same way you can use it here also. The functions you can use upper and lower and subqueries. Okay, everything you can use in this where condition. Okay, set salary equal to 1000. This is update statement and we need to commit it. If we roll back it, then the changes will not be reflected in the table. So I will do 2000, commit, then I will give it roll back. It will undo the changes. First I will see whether it is updated. In the current session it will be visible even if I won't commit also. Suppose if I give roll back, okay, now just see this one, it is the previous value, previous which one we have updated, it has 1000 value, so it is 1000. Okay, I will tell you one more thing also. If I give you 2000 and if I select the query, 2000 has come. Now I will commit. Okay, after committing, if I give rollback, then query. After committing, if I give rollback, then it is no use. Okay, after committing, it will be permanently updated in the database, so we can't roll it back. Okay, next is delete statement. Delete statement will be used to delete the records from the database. Delete from table name. Okay, table name is EMP. While delete operation also you need to be very careful. You need to give the where condition like this one. Okay, like update statement, like select statement, you can give all the conditions in the where clause. You can give subqueries, you can give and operator, in operator, all the white cards you can use in the where clause. This where clause is just like in select statement or update statement or delete statement, all are same. Okay, delete from EMP where EMP number equal to 7369. Okay, now I will query EMP for this. So no data has come. If I commit it, it will be automatically deleted, but I don't want to delete it, so I'm giving rollback. If I query now, the data will come. Okay, now in the previous videos I have explained you DDL statements, DCL statements. Okay, now I have explained DML statements. Okay, so now you know all what is DDL, what is DCL and what is DML. DDL is create, alter, truncate, rename. Those are DDL statements. I have explained in previous video. If you have not checked it, go and check it. and DCL statements are data control languages. They are grant, revoke. Okay. DML statements are for modification or querying the data. Those are select. For insert, update and delete, we need the commit operation. Okay, commit or rollback. Okay. Now, what is the difference between truncate and delete? Truncate, I have explained you earlier also. It is also used for deleting the data from the table. Okay. But what is the difference between truncate and delete? In the truncate operation, we can't give the where condition. But in delete operation, we can give the where condition. And truncate is the DDL statement and delete is a DML statement. So we need to commit it. If we roll back it the rows will come back in the delete. But in truncate, there is no commit and rollback concept. So which performance wise, which is faster? Truncate is faster than delete. Why? Because whenever delete operation is done, so the deleted records will be stored in the transaction log. So whenever we have applied rollbacks, so that rows should come back, right? So there is one extra operation for delete operation to store in the transaction log. That's why truncate is more faster than delete operation. Then commit and rollback, these I have explained. These are called transaction control. These are controlling the transaction. Like whenever we are committing, it is committing the data into the database, and whenever we are giving rollback, it is rollbacking all the operations. So friends, I am stopping the session for today. What we have learned today: some basic SQL queries, some wildcard entries, and some distinct operator. What is distinct operator? What is the difference between truncate and delete? What is DDL, DML, and DCL statements? And uppercase, lowercase, is, null, NVL, and case statement, and aliasing. How we can alias the function column. Okay. So hope you understood. I have explained you some basic queries. In depth, we have so many functions in SQL, like rank functions, inbuilt functions, okay, string function, character functions, okay. All these we will explain in the next videos, topic by topic, okay. Today I have explained you these concepts. Hope you will practice at home, and if you have any queries, please comment, and if you have any doubts or if you want more explanation, then you can comment. If you like this explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you friends, that's all for today. Bye bye.